What's up, guys? I got my box, my paparazzi. So I joined Paparazzi on the 20th. Today's the 23rd, so a couple of days ago, and I just now got my box, so it came pretty fast, so I'm excited. So I'm going to open it and let's see what's in there. Alright, we're about to see. I'm excited. Alright. So they have the little padding thing on the top. Oh, let me show you what it looks like. If you can see, it just says Paparazzi in big letters. It says lift here, so we're gonna take this out. And then it's this big black box right here. Woo. Alright. And then what's this? Fashion Fix. This talks about the fashion fixes, which are the pieces that go together. So they'll put fashion fix pieces together, and then you can sell them all together, which would be like $20 because there's 4 different pieces usually. And my jewelry's in here. I got all my jewelry in here. Alright, let's see what's in this box though. Woo! It is a party planner. Gotta stay organized. Alright. Here's the welcome book. Hey. Alright. What else is there? I think these are the hooks for the see, it's just hooks for the pegboard. So it's just a box of them to hang the jewelry up. If you've seen those pegboards, the boards with the little holes in them that they have at the stores and things like that, that's what the pegboard is. So those hooks go in there. What is this? I keep losing this little cutter. I mean, I have a knife, but I'd rather just use my little cutter. So that's my little cutter. Okay. Let's see what this is in this box, because it's a big, pink box. All their colors are pink and black, so everything's like pink and black. Pretty. I'm not that big of a fan of pink, but this pink is the darker, the hot pink, so I like it better. Okay, this is a welcome letter. Welcome letter. This is an independent consultant, like a bumper sticker, I think. So I have that. Checklist. Alright, there's our checklist. Perfect. I needed that. I love the checklist because that's how I function with checklists. I can't just, what is this? Let's open it. I'm not really opening the stuff yet, but I'm gonna open this because I don't know what it is. I think it might be a receipt book or something. Let's see. Receipt book. receipt book. A for my sales, my jewelry sales. Okay. This is before the party checklist. Yes. Alright. These are the little bling cards. We have a thing for bling. Free bling is a beautiful thing. So if you buy 12 accessories, you get the 13th free. That's what that is. And then let's see what this is. The compensation plan. And then okay, this is the leadership worksheet. And then application to be an independent consultant. If y'all want to join my team, come on join, because we about to hit this thing hard. Alright. Here we go. A bust. Cute little bust. You can just stand up and put your necklaces on. Cute. Okay. Some thank you cards. Okay. This is the invitations, party invitations. So yeah, I need those for my jewelry party. Here's a little kit just in case some jewelry breaks and things like that. We can put it back together. Alright, and then the last thing that's in here is the bags. Paparazzi bags. So this is my kit. And it is so cute. Let's see what else. Look at this, man. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but the big thing of jewelry in here. I got a bunch of pieces that I will be showing later. Look at that orange. Pretty. Some yellow. Hey. Got some gunmetal. Ooh. Got some green. This will go with my shirt. I just bought a TLC shirt, and it has this color in it. I can wear that with it. And then look at that pretty purple, man. That is pretty. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's pretty purple and blue. So when I do my lives, I will be showing the jewelry, not like this. It's not going to be in the packages like this, but I'm not taking them out yet. So let me see, can you see me now? Alright, so yeah, what is this? Oh, personalized marketing materials, business cards and things like that. Yeah, so this is my starter kit for Paparazzi. I just joined and I'm excited because I'm ready to hit this thing running. I'm ready. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. If you want to be a part of my team, just hit me up down below. I will reach out to you and we will get started. So have a good day, everybody, and I will talk to you guys soon.